Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here. So let me talk about these super cool silicone mini portion pans. I don't know what else to call them, but they are amazing. They are so much easier to clean and they're portioned out. How cool is that? So the other day, and they come in a pack of 4, by the way, so that's super awesome. The other day I had made banana bread. And I don't know about you, but sometimes you can't just eat the whole thing, right? How about portioning them out in a set of 4 like this, where you can take one to work? Talk about the most amazing snack ever. You can just eat one while you're having a coffee and not necessarily have to have this big container to put a banana bread cake or loaf in, having to cut it up. You dirty up a knife, dirty up the kitchen, put them in these mini petite pans, and they're amazing. Another thing that these would be amazing for are omelets, eggs of some sort. Put them in here, cook them up even, and then put them in the freezer, or just make one at a time. This is so much easier than anything, really. Like, amazing, right? Put 1 egg in here. 2, you can put them in the microwave. Make an omelet in the microwave. So much easier. It would take about a minute, done. Or in the oven if you prefer to bake them. That's okay too. And then eat it. Or put it in a Ziploc bag, take it to work, eat it when you get to work. Or freeze them, put them in a freezable Ziploc bag and take them out on the go when you want them. How smart and amazing is that, you guys? You can cook muffins in here, just a different shape, cakes, pancakes even. Oh my goodness, the possibilities are endless. Even if you just wanted to, I don't know, have a side of baby carrots, put in some asparagus, anything. Put them in here, put them in the microwave. It will cook in like a minute, 2 minutes max, probably less, and keep all of those nutrients in from the veggies. No water needed. So how amazing is that? There's probably lots of other things you could use them with, but just some ideas for you. Let people know how amazing these things are, because trust me, you will wonder why you didn't have them in the first place, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like so that I know you're watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.